Hello, trading has closed on October 8th, 2015. I'm Jeff Tennant. Let's change the order around a little bit today and go over today's trade. First, MEJT gave one signal. It was a buy in the afternoon, and it said if the move was immediate, it was likely to be strong, which is what the S means, and that one worked. Well, that was today. How about yesterday? We had a few calls. One was there was a MEJT target of 1985.65. When I made the call, futures were over 1988, and they dropped as low as 1971 during the night. So as far as futures are concerned, we met the equivalent. Unfortunately, that does not count, and we have a failed MEJT target. The system says it'll print it sometime, but it's not required to be anytime soon. The next prediction was we'd have a strong gap outside of yesterday's range, and that didn't work. And then I said if that didn't happen, we were going to close relatively unchanged, and that didn't work. About the only prediction I made yesterday that worked was when I said if the calls failed, it would fail in a big way, which is what happened. Well, how about tomorrow? We don't have any new MEJT target. It's possible for this breakout to be invalidated if we have a gap lower and hold it. Anything's possible. I think that's a pretty unlikely occurrence. This is a chart I showed yesterday that looks like a pretty strong breakout over resistance to me. I will say that we are getting close to some DeMark sell signals on the number of time frames. Frankly, I'm not certain I believe them. So the call for tomorrow is that unless we invalidate this rally promptly, and trading even slightly over today's close would be enough to be confirmation. Unless that happens, I don't think this rally's over. I think it will fail at some time, and that at some time 1985.65 will print, but I don't know when that's going to be. And that's today's call.